CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions Exercise 5.2 8th question. Alright, now let's read the question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Okay, so there is a AP. Okay, so AP means arithmetic progression. So there is an AP that has 50 terms. Okay, so of course you guys know in AP we'll have a first term and second term, third term and so on. So in that according to the question they mentioned then 50 terms are there in this AP. Okay, so after writing that so on we can write A50. Okay, so A50 means of course you guys know we can say that this AP contains 50 terms. Okay, so now in the question they had mentioned, so here in the question they mentioned that third term is 12. So okay, so let us write A1 as it is, comma A2, comma, so this is the third term, right? A3 means third term, so the third term is 12, so let us write 12 and then so on, and the last term is 106, isn't it? I am sorry, so 106. Okay, so now you know. Okay, so in this AP we know the third term, we know the last term, that is 106. Okay, so now let us write the values. So here A3 is equal to 12, okay, and then A50 is equal to 106. So here now they mention this AP contains 50 terms. So these are all terms, okay. So like first term, second term, third term, fourth term and so on, and then 40th term, 41st term, like that. Okay, like that we have 50 terms. Okay, so in that 50 terms that particular terms they'll have number, right? So for third term we know the number, that is 12, and for the 50th term we have 106. Okay, so these are the two values mentioned in the, according to the question we just have two values. Okay, so what are we supposed to find, guys? So we are supposed to find the 29th term. So here after so on we'll get the 29th term, isn't it? So we are supposed to find that 29th term. Okay, so we are supposed to find the number for 29th term. For example, here for third term we have the number, that is 12. Likewise for fourth term we might have a number. So like that we will have 29th term, isn't it? So for the 29th term, which number, what is the number for the 29th term? So that is the question. Okay, so in simple words that is the question. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, so now we are going to be solving it. So first of all I am going to write these values as it is, and 29th term it is, we are supposed to find it, right? So I can write A29 is equal to question mark. Okay, so you are supposed to find it. Okay. Okay guys, so I just wrote the values as it is, and what we are supposed to find also I just wrote it as it is. I just told you guys that we can actually write it like A plus, so before 3 which number is there? So the previous number of 3 is 2, isn't it? So it is 2D is equal to 12. Okay, and then comma. Okay, here it is A50 is equal to 106. So let us write A plus, so before 50 which number is there? I mean, what is the previous number of 50? So the previous number is 49, isn't it? So we can write 49D is equal to 106. Okay, so for this also we can write it like that. So what is the previous number of 29? So the previous number is 28. So I just wrote 28D, and then we can write is equal to A29. Okay, so here we have all the values, but we don't have a value for A29, that is the 29th term. That's why I just wrote it as it is. Okay, so now what I'm going to do so for finding the 29th term I need common difference, that is the D value, A value, then only I will be able to find the 29th term, isn't it? So I am going to take this as equation number 1, and this one is equation number 2. Okay, so from equation number 1 and 2 now I am gonna solve them by elimination method. Okay, elimination method, of course you guys know we studied it in so one second, yeah, we studied it in 3rd lesson, isn't it? So no need to explain the detail. Okay guys, so now what we can do now, so now we can write a plus 39, sorry, here it is 2d. Okay, so a plus 2d is equal to 12, and then a plus 49d is equal to 106. Okay, so here everything is in addition, right? So addition, we can change it in subtraction. Okay, so when we just change the signs, we can cancel here, and then so when we just subtract 49 minus 2, we get 47. So here now the greatest number is 49, so that 49 has minus. Okay, so let us write the minus, and d also we are supposed to write as it is. So 106 minus 12 is 94. Okay, so 106 has minus, so let us write the minus as it is. Okay, so now d is equal to minus 94. So here it is in multiplication, so when it comes to this side it changes into division. Okay, so now we can cancel them, isn't it? So let us cancel. So I can cancel the minus sign, so cancel. So I can cancel 94 and 47 in 47 table. Okay, so 147 is 47, and then 49 47 twos are, it is 94. So if you want, I'll just do it here. So 47 twos are 7 twos are 14, 1 4 twos are 8, 94. Okay, likewise I just cancelled it. Okay, so what is the d value, guys? So I'll just write it here. So d is equal to 2. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now, okay, so I'm going to substitute this d in equation number 1, otherwise equation number 2, it is your wish. Okay, okay, so I'll just solve it in another one sheet of paper. Okay, so since you guys know, I'm going to solve, I'm going to put the d value, right? So let us write, put the value of d in equation number 1. Okay, it's your wish, you can just choose the equation which one you like. Okay, but we are supposed to use only these two equations. Okay, so a plus 2d is equal to 12. Okay, so a, let us write it as it is, plus 2, so d is, so the d value is 2, right? So we got the d value as 2, so let us write it as it is. 2 is equal to 12, and then once again, okay, so a plus 2 twos are, it is 4, is equal to 12, and then we can write a as it is, and then here it is plus 4, right? When it comes to that side, it changes into minus 4, so a is equal to, so 12 minus 4, it is 8. So now we got the a value. So a value we have a is equal to 8. Okay, so now we know the d value and a values. So we know the d value and as well as the a value. So we can just substitute both the values in this equation. Okay, I'm going to substitute in this one, a plus 28 d is equal to a 29. So a 29 means 29th term. Okay, okay, so I'm going to write this as it is. So a 29 is equal to a plus 28d. Okay, so this is what we are supposed to find, right? We are supposed to find the 29th term. So remember guys, whenever you have a and down, if you have 29 like this, it means that we are supposed to find the 29th term. Okay, okay, alright guys. So now a 29 we can write it as it is, and a, no, we just found it, so here, so the a value is 8. Okay, so let us write it. Okay, so a is 8 plus 28. So what is d? So d value is 2. So a 29 is equal to 8. Let us write it as it is. And then 28 into 2 is 60. Sorry, 28 into 2. So a 2s are 16. 1. So 2 2s are 4, 5. Okay. So 28 into 2 is 56. Okay. I am sorry guys, I just committed a mistake. Okay. So 829 is equal to, so 8 plus 56 is 64. Okay. So now we know the answer, right? So the 29th term of the, so 29th term is equal to 64. Okay. So no need to write like this, for your understanding I just wrote it. Okay. So this is what we are supposed to find, right? So we are supposed to find the 29th term, likewise we found it. So in this AP, no, so we have dot so on, right? In this so on we will have a 29th term. So in the 29th term we have, so the 29th term it is 64. Okay. Simply for your understanding only I just wrote it like this. Please never write it like that. Okay. For your understanding only I just wrote it. Okay. So it was pretty easy to find it. So remember guys, whenever you have a question to find the 29th term, like that term, whenever you get to find some term, no, please try to write it like this, and you can just use like this formula and then you can find it. Okay. And we are supposed to use elimination method, that is important. Okay. So this was the 8th question.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.